So the first thing that you're going to want to do before you even think about joining a voice chat channel is to set up your microphone. So we're going to do that together right now. There are three buttons in the lower left of the screen. The mute button for your microphone, the deafen button for your headphones, and the user settings. So we're going to go into user settings, and then we're going to go to voice, and this is what you're going to see. So we'll start at the top. The input device is your mic, and the output device is your headphones. You want to make sure that you are choosing the appropriate piece of equipment that you're using. Once you've chosen these, exit and join a channel just for a moment. So we're going to join this channel. And as soon as you've joined, you can just disconnect. It's just resetting the equipment that you've changed. Okay. So once you've done that, you can go back into user settings and go to voice. It's reading your headset and your earphones. The input volume is for your microphone only. So this changes how loud you come across to other people. The output volume is the volume of your headphones, so how loud other people's voices are to you. It's defaulted at 100%. You could just leave it there. If you find that you're having trouble hearing other players, chances are that your output volume is too low, and you're going to have to bring it up a little bit. So that's the top portion finished. The input mode is voice activity, which is what we want. What we don't want, however, is for the sensitivity to be automatically determined. We want to determine that on our own. So we're going to turn that off. And the only other thing that you need to turn off is the automatic gain control. We need to turn that off as well. The automatic gain control, it automatically configures your input volume, and you don't really want this to change when you've set up your sensitivity. So that's turned off, and your automatic sensitivity is also turned off. Now from here, we can play with this bar. As you can see, as I'm speaking, the bar is raised. So if I speak a little bit louder, the bar is going to go quite high up into the yellow. If I speak lower, the bar is not going to go very high, is it? So what you want to do is you kind of want to just test it on your own, speak at a relatively normal volume. And what you're looking for is the darker bar to consistently move past the threshold. So for me, as I'm speaking, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I usually have the bar sitting around 55, 54. You kind of want it to pass it a little bit, maybe closer to half an inch. That way it's picking up all of your voice and none of your breathing. If I was to breathe now, that was obviously louder breathing than I would usually have, but it was not breaking the threshold. It was coming just before, at about this point here. So maybe I could just move it a little bit further, and that's it. So we've sensitized our voice to the proper section here. We've turned off what we've needed to turn off. We've set up everything as far as our gear is concerned, and the volumes are looking good. So from here we can exit, and this is kind of when you're ready to join a channel. So for example, I am in the Inglorious Bastards, so I'm ready to join their voice chat channel. I would click the lobby, and here I am, and I can just start talking. One thing I did want to mention about the text chat channels, so if I switch over to Inglorious here, the nice thing about the text channels in Discord is that everything here is drag and drop. So you're able to essentially put links into the text chat, and it will bring up, in some cases it will actually bring up the page for you to view in the app rather than having to open your browser to go to that section to see whatever it is that you're trying to see. Same thing with YouTube videos and other things. You're able to play them within the Discord app. You don't need to leave and open up a new browser to see what someone is trying to show you. Anyway, so that's how you set up your microphone. I hope that helps. A lot of people so far have been saying that it's the sounds are too low or they're too loud, or it's just that we all need to configure our microphones just as we were going to do in a TeamSpeak server. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and good wins.